Get out, Master Rabbit. I don't know. I really listened. I don't know. It could be Penny, and me and you got away. That becoming no choice, Biggie. But this time, this is unbelievable. I'm not kidding, because you and Penny just broke up. Well, I'm dating Evelyn. You're dating Evelyn? Yes, Biggie. She's my dynamite gal. And also my little ninja butt-kicking angel. Hell no. I'll be leaving with the wonton. Nah. You get back here. What are you doing? Eating you alive. What? Hell no! Somebody let me free! That was a lie for me. Scrum all you want. I don't care. It feels so good having Biggie trapped in my belly. I guess struggling won't help you anymore. This is so good. Man. This is very good. This is good, isn't it? Have fun on my stomach, Biggie, until the stuff comes. Penny won't see you again. That was good. Oh, that was fun. Looks like I got an episac.